Are you tired of this bullshit? Desperately searching for wrenches, nuts, safety guards, and accessories, handles for your angle grinders. Are you sick and tired of tangled or poorly wrapped power cords? Stop wasting time and money right now!
Hey, I'm Scott Bear, and I'm here today to tell you about a time-saving tool organization innovation. It's the Boomerang Angle Grinder Minder. The Boomerang Angle Grinder Minder quickly holsters your angle grinder, power cord, and accessories to be ready to use every time.
Wraps the power cord the same way every time. It holds red ones, blue ones, purple ones, yellow ones, pink ones, green ones, even orange ones.
Let's see how it works. It's the Boomerang Angle Grinder Minder, ready to use every time.
Works upside down. Stash it in your toolbox. Mount it in your job site box. Dedicate grinders to commonly used
Don't
wheels.
delay! Order your Boomerang Angle Grinder Minder today! Limited quantities available!
Visit anglegrinderminder.com to purchase now. Only $24.99. Your tool should always be ready when it's time to grind. Visit anglegrinderminder.com to purchase now. Only $24.99 while supplies last. Order your Boomerang Angle Grinder Minder today. Patent pending. Taxes, fees, and shipping not included. Grinders sold separately. Offer void in states where prohibited. Made in the USA. Please allow 2 to 3 weeks for shipping and handling.